Each year, the world harvests up to 9.2 million tons of strawberries, an impressive figure that plays a vital role in the global food industry. But have you ever wondered how a strawberry can be plump, clean, safe, and naturally flavorful all at once? In a time when clean food is increasingly valued, strawberries, delicate and easily bruised, require more care than ever before. The journey begins with selecting the right varieties. Only strong, disease-free seedlings with high pest resistance are chosen for clean farming. At high-tech agricultural centers in Japan, the Netherlands, the US, and Israel, seedlings are cultivated in sterile environments, ensuring they are free of pathogens from the very first stage. Growing clean strawberries starts with careful soil preparation. No chemical pesticides, no synthetic fertilizers. Those are the golden rules of clean farming. In California or Australia, organic strawberries are grown in treated soil, covered with biodegradable mulch, and protected by natural predators to control pests. In Japan and the Netherlands, strawberries are grown in advanced hydroponic systems, suspended in midair, absorbing nutrients from water and AI-controlled lighting systems. Modern sprinkler or rotary irrigation systems ensure even water distribution without waste. Strawberries are cared for with love and patience. No growth hormones, no artificial ripening. Each flower is naturally pollinated by honeybees, resulting in round, evenly formed fruit with rich flavor. Water is purified, and organic fertilizers are balanced at each growth stage. Every drop of water, every breeze, every ray of sunlight is fully utilized to grow truly natural and pure strawberries. Harvesting clean strawberries is unlike ordinary harvesting. Only fully ripe, naturally sweet berries are picked, entirely by hand, to avoid bruising or contamination from machinery. Strawberry pickers are like artists, gently handling each fruit, sensing its flavor with their eyes, their hands, and their hearts. Within just a few hours, the freshly picked berries are delivered to processing facilities to preserve their ultimate freshness. At the factory, strawberries are placed on conveyor belts, their stems removed and thoroughly washed. Clean strawberries undergo a rigorous sanitation process. No preservatives, no artificial coloring. Each berry is cleaned using purified or ozone-infused water to eliminate bacteria, then air-dried and packed into eco-friendly recycled plastic containers. In many places, sensor-based technology is used to detect and remove any substandard fruit, ensuring only the finest strawberries make it to you. From distant farms, clean strawberries are boxed, palletized, and ship worldwide. To 5-star restaurants, organic grocery shelves, or simply to breakfast tables of families who cherish nature. Clean strawberries are more than just fruit. They're a symbol of green living, healthy choices, and a deep respect for the environment. Within each clean strawberry lies a story, a journey of people, technology, and love for nature. Next time you pick up a strawberry, remember, you're tasting not just its sweetness, but also a genuine, sustainable effort behind it. Strawberries are also turned into jam by cooking them with sugar, natural pectin, and lemon juice in industrial kettles. After 30 minutes, the jam is bottled, cooled, labeled, and ready for global distribution. Let's spread the habit of clean living, so that every meal is a heartfelt thank you to the earth. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss more inspiring stories from Laurel Farm. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.